Welcome to Easy Microbiology. Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing Actinomyces odontolyticus, an important bacterium Thetae SA gram-positive, facultative anaerobic found in the oral cavity, particularly in dental plaque and periodontal pockets. We will explore its habitat, morphological features, biochemical characteristics, host range, virulence factors, mechanisms of antibiotic resistance, and more. Let's take a closer look and begin.
Actinomyces odontolyticus is a gram-positive, facultative anaerobic bacterium from the Actinomyces genus. It is a non-spore-forming, non-motile rod-shaped bacterium and commonly found in dental plaque, which can cause periodontitis. If left untreated, it can lead to tooth loss and other serious complications.
Odontolyticus is found in the oral cavity, particularly in dental plaque and periodontal pockets.
Non-spore-forming, non-motile rod-shaped bacterium odontolyticus is characterized by its irregular, branching, filamentous masses. These masses give the organism its unusual branching, filamentous morphology and can lead to the formation of dental plaque and periodontitis.
Odontolyticus grows well on blood agar and requires anaerobic conditions for optimal growth. It forms small, round, grayish, white colonies on agar plates.
Odontolyticus is a common component of dental plaque that is capable of causing periodontitis in its host. It is an anaerobic chemorganotroph which ferments a variety of sugars and produces lactic acid as the primary end product. Furthermore, it is capable of producing proteases and other enzymes that break down host tissues, allowing the bacterium to cause periodontitis. The bacterium odontolyticus is a non-spore-forming, non-motile, rod-shaped organism that is commonly found in dental plaque. This organism has been linked to the development of periodontitis in humans. Studies show that odontolyticus has a narrow host range, with it only being found in humans. This suggests the bacterium specifically targets humans and is not seen in other organisms. Odontolyticus is known to produce a range of virulence factors including proteases, hemolysins, and bacteriocins that facilitate its colonization by causing harm to host tissues. Proteases catalyze the breakdown of proteins. Hemolysins cause lysis of red blood cells, while bacteriocins are molecules that inhibit growth of other bacteria. It is believed that these diverse virulence factors act synergistically to increase the pathogenic potential of odontolyticus.
Odontolyticus has been found to be resistant to some antibiotics, such as penicillin and erythromycin, through the production of beta-lactamases and efflux pumps.
Odontolyticus is an obligate gram-negative, non-spore-forming and non-motile rod-shaped bacterium which is responsible for causing periodontitis. Periodontitis occurs when the supporting connective tissue in our teeth is damaged by chronic inflammation. The odontolyticus is normally found in the dental plaque and is believed to be a primary factor in the development of periodontitis. The image displayed here shows a close-up of these cells which are responsible for causing periodontitis.
Odontolyticus is thought to contribute to the pathogenesis of periodontitis by colonizing and damaging host tissues through the production of virulence factors, including proteases and hemolysins.
Studies have shown that the host immune response to odontolyticus plays a key role in the progression of periodontitis.
Odontolyticus can be diagnosed through microbial culture, polymerase chain reaction, PCR, or other molecular methods from dental plaque or other clinical samples.
Oral hygiene is essential to prevent odontolyticus-related periodontitis. Daily brushing and flossing, as well as regular professional cleanings and checkups, are essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. Practicing good oral hygiene now can ensure a healthier mouth and a strong smile for years to come. A comprehensive approach of combining antibiotics to target the odontolyticus-associated periodontitis bacteria with mechanical debridement to remove infected tissue is the most effective way to manage the symptoms and prevent recurrence. Mechanical debridement not only reduces the amount of bacteria, but also allows the remaining healthy tissue to continue healing. As we come to a close, we can see that odontolyticus is a common component of dental plaque and can cause periodontitis. Studies have shown us that understanding the host immune response to this bacteria has progressed dramatically and shows potential for the development of treatments and therapies that could manage and even prevent periodontitis and its associated complications. We have discussed the numerous potential uses of odontolyticus and the progress that has been made in its research. Thank you for your attention.